In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bill in QuickBooks. We'll walk through the exact workflow to record a vendor bill payment so your books stay accurate and up to date. By the end, you'll know how to open the Pay Bills window, choose the bills you want to clear, enter the key payment details, and save the transaction so the bill shows as paid. Start by logging into your QuickBooks account. From the dashboard, look to the top left and click the plus sign labeled New. This opens your Create menu. Under the Vendors section, choose Pay Bills. This page is your central place to see outstanding vendor bills you've already entered. If a bill doesn't appear here, it usually means it hasn't been recorded as a bill yet. At the top of the Pay Bills screen, select the bank account you're paying from. This choice matters because it determines which bank register the payment will hit, and if you're writing a check, which check number sequence you're using. Pick the account you'll actually use to send the money. Next, select the bills you want to pay. You'll see a list with vendor names, due dates, and amounts. Check the box next to each bill you're clearing today. You can pay one bill or several at once. Take a moment to confirm the total you're about to pay and that the due dates align with what you expect, especially if you manage cash flow closely. Now enter the payment details. Set the payment date to the date you're making the payment. Using the correct date helps with bank reconciliation and aging reports. Choose the payment method that matches how you're paying, such as check, cash, or ACH. This tells QuickBooks how to treat the outgoing funds and helps keep your records consistent. You'll also see a field for a reference number. This is optional, but it's helpful. For a check, use the check number. For an electronic payment, you can enter a confirmation code or leave it blank if you prefer. When everything looks right, save the payment. Click Save and Close to record it and return to your work. If you're printing a check right now, choose Save and Print to produce the check from QuickBooks. Make sure your check stock is loaded correctly and your print alignment is set up in advance to avoid reprints. After saving, the bill status changes to paid. You can verify this in your expenses or vendors list, and you'll see the payment reflected in the bank account you selected. That's it. Your bill is recorded, your vendor balance is updated, and your books are accurate.